Hello Lord of the Rings and Hobbit fans, welcome back to another video. Today I wanted to show you a couple more Weta Mini Epics. I wanted to show you Galadriel and Legolas, the two elves that I have. And I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video. Let's get right into this. Okay, so first I'm going to show you Legolas. He is from the Woodland Realm. And as you can see, pretty cool piece. Show you all the way around here. Very cool. I like his facial expression. Should have got some close up here. Like his bow and arrow. With his bow and arrow, he has two arrows in there. So cool. And then again, you can see he has that cloak when Galadriel gives them to them. And then his dagger, his quiver filled with arrows. I like his hair. That's pretty cool what they did there. And his front there. Such a cool piece. Love this one. It's one of my favorite characters in the movie too as well. So that's Legolas of the Woodland Realm. And we also have Galadriel, Lady of Lorien, the Lady of Light. And here she is up close. I love this piece. So intricate with her dress. Look at the pattern, like the design and pattern on her. And her hair is just amazing. This is a very intricate, awesome piece. And this is where she has the vase here filled with water. She goes down with Frodo. Such a cool piece. I love this one. I like this one a lot because of the intricate of this dress she's wearing. Just a very nice piece. Look at her hair. That is very nice. So cool. And that's Galadriel, the Lady of Light. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video. And if you want to see more of my content, please subscribe to my channel. And if you like this video today, give it a like down below and comment down below what you guys thought of these mini epics. And I'll see you in the next one.